Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am thrilled you are here today because we are talking about a coffee lover's dream that is about to elevate your morning ritual, the Aarke Coffee Maker. If you are tired of drip machines that make weak brews or pod systems that waste pods and taste flat, this one is your ticket to cafe quality coffee at home with style and simplicity. Picture pulling rich aromatic shots from fresh grounds with a sleek machine that looks like modern art on your counter. No mess, no fuss. No more overpriced lattes or inconsistent results. This pro-grade brewer turns everyday coffee into a luxurious experience. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Aarke Coffee Maker deserves a spot in your kitchen. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us jump into the features of this brewing beauty. First off, the design is stunning and functional, with a matte stainless steel body that is about 12 inches wide, 14 inches tall, and 16 inches deep, weighing around 15 pounds for a premium feel without being too heavy to move. It comes in silver or black, fitting seamlessly into modern kitchens with its minimalist lines and no visible buttons, just a subtle touch panel. The heart is the thermoblock heating system, which heats water to 93 degrees Celsius in under 30 seconds for optimal extraction, delivering consistent shots every time. It uses a 15-bar pump for pressure that mimics professional machines, pulling espresso in 25 to 30 seconds for a crema-topped shot. The built-in grinder is conical burr style with 30 grind settings, holding up to 350 grams of beans, so you can go from coarse for French press to fine for espresso without losing flavour. The portafilter is 62mm commercial-grade aluminum with a dual-wall basket for single or double shots, and it includes a tamper that doubles as a knockbox. The drip tray is removable for easy cleaning, and the water tank is 1.5 litres BPA-free with a flip top for quick refills. It has auto shut-off after 9 minutes to save energy and a steam wand for frothing milk with adjustable pressure. Controls are intuitive with a touch bar for power, shot selection, and steam mode, plus a grind dial on top. It brews 1 or 2 shots at a time, and the LED lights guide the process. Safety features include overheat protection and a locked portafilter sensor. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and Aarke's Scandinavian engineering means it is built to last. Price is around $500, a solid investment for daily use. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons after brewing dozens of shots from lattes to Americanos. Pros first. Number 1, the brew quality is cafe level, with rich crema and balanced flavours from the precise temperature and pressure. Number 2, the built-in grinder saves space and ensures fresh grounds for better taste. Number 3, the sleek design is a countertop showpiece that impresses guests. Number 4, quick heat up and compact size fit small kitchens without compromise. Number 5, the steam wand froths milk smoothly for cappuccinos. Number 6, easy disassembly for cleaning keeps it hygienic. Overall, it makes barista coffee accessible and enjoyable. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $500 price is steep for occasional brewers. 2, the water tank is small for heavy users needing frequent refills. 3, no automatic milk frother, so manual steaming takes practice. 4, the grinder is loud during operation. 5, it is 15 pounds, not the lightest. 6, no app for customization. But here's the truth, the pros outweigh the cons for most. If you love fresh espresso a few times a day and want a stylish, reliable machine that lasts, this makes sense. Not for pod convenience seekers, but for true coffee enthusiasts, it is a resounding yes. So my recommendation, bring the Aarke Coffee Maker home today. It turns coffee time into a ritual worth savoring, with quality that pays off. Click that referral link in the description to snag it on Amazon, and you will get the best pricing plus special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your mornings will never be the same. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more coffee kicks and click the link to support us. What is your dream drink? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you beautiful people. If this helped, like the video, share with a coffee buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.